to turn on automatic brightness on iPhone. Want your iPhone screen to adjust brightness automatically? Let's turn on auto brightness step by step. So first go ahead and open up settings on your iOS device, and then from here look for accessibility. Click on it and then scroll down and tap accessibility. This is where display and vision options are located. Inside accessibility, tap display and text size to access brightness controls. Scroll to the bottom and toggle auto brightness on, and your iPhone will now adjust brightness automatically based on ambient light. The fastest workflow is settings, accessibility, display and text size, auto brightness on. This saves battery and reduces eye strain. And that is how to turn on auto brightness on iPhone.